Cash discount processing is an effective way for businesses to save money. In this video, we will explore the various tips and tricks to maximize savings using cash discount processing. Cash discount processing is a method businesses use to incentivize customers to pay with cash rather than credit or debit cards. When a customer chooses to pay with cash, they receive a discount on their purchase. This allows businesses to save money on merchant processing fees. To maximize savings with cash discount processing, businesses should offer cash discounts to all customers. This can be communicated through signage at the point of sale or through marketing materials. It's important to train employees on how to properly implement cash discount processing. This includes explaining the process to customers, handling cash transactions, and understanding the legal regulations surrounding cash discounts. Choosing the right cash discount processor is essential for maximizing savings. It's important to research and compare different processors to ensure you're getting the best rates and services for your business. With these tips and tricks, businesses can save money by utilizing cash discount processing. By offering discounts to customers who pay with cash, businesses can reduce merchant processing fees and increase their bottom line.